Blah. I sit here night after night, not really giving a fuck about my messy hair. One of these days, I'm gonna dye it and cut it and give myself bangs. Um, we'll just pull from this deck right here, right in front of my eyeballs. Mending. It's so sweet. It looks like friends or sisters. They're creating like one of those little celebratory like banners. They're getting ready for a celebration. Mending, of course, makes me think of bridging the gap between something that's separated or parted ways. So maybe there's a person or a friend in your life, a situation, something that needs mending. And maybe, just maybe, you could be the brave one to take the first step towards repair.